This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, Alabama. Today I'd like to show you something you don't see very often. A really nice minivan with great miles that's very affordable. Check out this 2018 Honda Odyssey EXL. Beautiful vehicle loaded with equipment. Around back, lots of cargo room, even with that third row seat folded up. Power lift gate, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler, 18-inch alloy wheels with a brand new set of tires. Power sliding door opens up to 3 across seating that's configurable to quad seats with the removal of the center magic seat. 3 across seating in the rear for a total of 8 passenger capability. Dual USB charging ports located in the back of the center console. It's forest mist metallic with beige leather interior, chrome door handles, color keyed mirror caps with LED turn signals, LED daytime running lights, projector beam headlights, forward collision sensor, fog lights. It's also equipped with passive keyless entry. Power moonroof, leather bucket seats, dual power seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seats, blind spot monitor, power door controls, power liftgate controls, traction control, lane keep, and electronic parking brake, automatic headlights, fog light controls, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, you've got paddle shifters, audio controls, Bluetooth, trip computer functions, and intelligent cruise control. Only 90,000 well cared for miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, dual zone climate control, push button start, heated seats, driver and passenger, push button gear selector, 12-volt outlet, USB ports in the center console, keyless entry key fob including remote start, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, universal garage door opener located in your auto dimming rearview mirror, and those moonroof controls overhead. If you'd like to know more about this 2018 Honda Odyssey EXL, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.